LearnVibe, your gateway to smarter learning. Welcome to LearnVibe.com, your digital hub for smarter, faster, and more flexible learning. Whether you're in college, starting a new career, or upgrading your professional skills, LearnVibe makes education accessible to everyone, anytime, anywhere. At LearnVibe, we believe knowledge should fit your lifestyle. Our platform offers hundreds of expertly designed courses covering everything from technology, business, and finance to psychology, art, and personal growth. Each course is downloadable, so you can study offline, on your schedule. No subscriptions, no limits, just pure, focused learning that you own. You'll find courses led by industry professionals and university-level instructors, designed to give you the real-world skills that employers value most, whether it's mastering digital marketing, learning AI tools, coding in Python, or developing leadership and communication strategies. Because at LearnVibe, we're not just about information, we're about career transformation. So if you're ready to invest in yourself, build your future, and unlock your potential, join the learning revolution today at LearnVibe.com. Empower your mind, elevate your career. LearnVibe, where learning meets opportunity.